Good morning, everyone. So, let's start.
Good morning. Yeah.
So, in the last class, we were doing this. So, one hands-on exercise three. So, one, two, three was already completed. Four is also completed by you all. Okay, and fifth I told you to do. So, you can start with fifth. I think fourth everyone has done, but I will write the code because in the last class I have not written. Yes. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please try this fifth question. Fifth question is what? Write a Python program that takes XY coordinates of a point in the Cartesian plane and prints a message telling either in axis or which the point lies or the quadrant in which it is found. So like you have to enter xy and you have to check whether a point lies on axis or in which quadrant it lies. You have to tell. So please try everyone. Okay, I will ask your name. So question is clear. You may write in your own way. So everyone, please start trying. Okay. Mm. Okay, so fifth question is done by Sandeep, Aditya, and Lepsita. Okay. Okay, so this is the code for fourth question, which most of you already done. I think all of you. So let us run for the given inputs. Okay. So they have given input A. We have to take 9.0, 4.0, 3.0. Okay. 943 minus 5 minus 6. 9, 4, 3. 1 minute. Hello. Yes, good morning, sir. Hello. Good morning. You're taking the class or not right now? Yeah, I'm taking class, sir. And which classroom number? KL online. Oh, online class you are taking? Yes, sir. Have you entered online or not? Entered online means I have entered. I'm taking class, sir. Taking class, but somebody is calling. Okay, okay, okay. Continue. Already going, yes, sir. Okay, okay. Okay, sir. Okay, so this is the code for, let us write that input. So let us write that input given in this. So 943 minus 5 minus 6 minus 21. So minus 5 minus 6 minus 21. So outputs are minus 2 and 3. So is it in the output? Yes, so x is minus 2 and y is 3. Okay, so x is minus 2 and y is 3. And because similarly, if you put this value, then we can get the solution. Okay, now let's come to the fifth question. So, fifth, how many of you have done? Only four till now. So, fifth question is what? Fifth question is you have to take xy as input and decide the point lies on which axis or in which quadrant. Okay, so who will share? Okay, start with Aditya. So Aditya, please share screen.
Yes, sir. So is it visible?
Yes, yes. So, so once you explain it, what have you done?
Sir, if x is a positive number greater than 0 and y also positive, then it is in first quadrant.
Yes.
So if x is negative and y is positive, then it is in second quadrant. And like that,
Hmm.
so every means x for x less than 0, y greater than 0. If x equals to 0 and y greater than 0, then it is at positive y-axis. So if x equals to 0 and y equals to 0, then it is at origin.
Okay. So
Then
run it.
print. Yes,
So put it 0 0. You check 0 0. What it gives the output?
there is at origin.
Yes, it is fine. Then you write 0 1 like this.
Yes, just a second. So it is at positive y-axis.
Yes, x 0 y 1. Okay. And what if you write 1 0?
So it is at positive x-axis.
Hmm. Okay. You can take something like minus 2 comma 3.
Yes. So it is in second quadrant.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, good. Thank you, Aditya.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so I want everyone to please write this program. Okay, and you have seen how they have done. Just if else you have to use. Yeah, Subhajit, do you want to share a screen?
Okay, sir. Is it visible?
Yes, yes. So again, x1 y1, yes, and Okay, so you can run it, and okay, so -1 and -2.5 in third quadrant. Yes. Yeah, it's right. I think. Check for something like you have written x zero, y not zero. Okay. Oh, so this is on y axis. Okay. Yes, so this is fine. Yeah. Thank you, Suvajit.
Thank you, sir.
So I hope all of you are now doing. Please do. You have seen the program, and please do it. Okay. So I think you might have learned how to do. So others are doing or not. So I will ask the name now. And mm, 1 minute. So Ravi Raj Yadav, are you here? Sejal Raj, Sabyasachi Rath, Monica Mahapatra, Soumya Saurabh Patnaik, Abdullah,
Yes, sir.
Okay, so have you tried this question, fifth one?
Yes, sir. I'm doing right now.
Oh, just doing? Okay, please finish it. And those
Yes.
who have done, please try the sixth one. The sixth one is what? If the age of Rahul, Ayush, and Ajay are input through the keyboard, write a Python program to determine the elder among them. Okay, so here you can use max function, but max function is very easy. So actually, this question expect you to write the code in comparison. So you have to compare them. So you input three number, you compare in each other, then you find the maximum. Okay, so don't use the max function directly. Just you write the program like you write in C++ or C, okay, or other language. So just you will enter the ages of three-person and you will decide who is the elder among them. Okay, so this is a question for those who have already done fifth, and those who have not done, please write it. So I'm also writing, you can check. So you may define a function if you want. We may define a function, otherwise we can directly do also. Yeah, so anyway, there are many way of writing, but we can write in one way like, okay. So both are zero. We can start from here, or it is very easy to write. You can write in your way. Those who are left and those who have done, you do 6%. So like, let me write that. And y is also zero. Okay. You just have to write the x's, okay? So, okay, let me remove this, just write this one. Point lie on, so if x is 0 and y is not 0, so x is 0 and y is not 0, point lie on y axis. So you say x is not 0 and y is 0. Okay, and if both are non-zero, then if both are positive, like x is strictly more than 0 and y is strictly more than 0, okay, so what will happen? So point lie in quadrant 1. So like x is positive and y is negative. So how do you write in order? So in the first quadrant, both x and y are positive. In second quadrant, x is negative and y is positive. So lie in quadrant 2. So in third quadrant, x is negative and y is negative. Okay, so lie in quadrant 3. You may write else. So in the else condition, what will happen? The other part. So let's check. Is it working or not? So this is just defined a function for second, third quadrant, origin, x-axis, y-axis, and so let's call the function. So let me write result. We call the function. So quadrant I have written. So we can change the name. Quadrant. X comma y. Okay, and we'll print result. like I write 0 and 0. What is in? Okay, and minus 1 and 2. Okay, and 2 minus 1, 4. So this is fine. You can write in other way also. There are other way also. So you may write in that way. Okay, let's come to the fifth question. So this was which question? I was doing this fifth question, and I asked you to do sixth question. So sixth question, how many of you have already done? So sixth question. So I think Swapnasri Sahu, Lipsita, Sandeep, Aditya, Rituraj, Rishi. Okay, these five six people have done this six questions. So you have to take inputs as the age. You have to compare in each other, and then you have to give the who is the elder one. Okay, so yes, Rishi, can you show the screen? Share your screen and show this sixth question.
So 5 and 6 both.
Five actually I have done. So you have done five.
Yes, sir, I've done 5.
Okay, what is the status of sixth?
I've done that too, sir.
Okay, so six you share, five I have done. So I think everyone can do actually. Please share
Okay, sir.
for sixth
Okay.
question. Okay, so
So actually, I forgot the third name, so I replaced it with X.
okay, okay. So it was you may ask it. So name was Rahul Ayush Ajay. Okay,
So
so Ajay is the elder among all. Okay, yes.
yes.
Uh, okay, fine. So you have done in this way. Hmm. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Rishi. And next.
So
I think Abdullah, you have shared for the last question today.
No, sir. I'm
No.
not sure. I've
Okay.
done it.
Okay. So you please share this question. Sixth one
Okay, sir.
is comparing. Okay. So okay. So you have done in this way. Fine. So 615. So Rahul is elder. Okay. So Rahul is six. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. So this is one way. There are other way also. Writing if else, and in other way you can do. So I hope 4, 5 is done by everyone, and 6 also. So 4 I have written code for today, and fifth also, and sixth I will write now. So you have seen the code of your friends, so you can write those who are no, not able to write. Just to compare, you take inputs, three inputs, and then compare between each other, like they have done. Okay, so sixth I will ask again. Those who have done six, please try seven. So seven is write a program, Python program that prompts the user to enter the month and year and displays the number of days in the month. For example, if user enters month 2 means February 2012, so it should give output that it has 29 days because 2012 was leap year. 2012, 2016, 2020, these were leap years. So February has 29 days. If enters user enters February 2013, so it should give output 28 days because 2013 was not leap year, so February will have only 28 days. So if the user enter month 3 March 2015, so program should display the March 2015 has 31 days. Okay, so it's a calendar type problem. So you please try, those who have done till 6, please try seventh one. Total how many questions are there? Okay, total 10. Okay, so we'll finish this and we'll start with 4, hands-on exercise 4 also. Okay, so let me ask the name. Those who have done 6, please try seventh question. You got, you will ask the user to write the month and year. Okay, they may ask you December 2012, like that. So you should enter the number of days in that month. Okay, so like only February has some problem because in leap years February has 29 days, and in other than leap years it has 28 days. So you have to only take care of that, and rest, like January has 31 and so on. So you know the number of days in that. So you try if you are able to do. Otherwise, I will do. Okay, let's come to six. So sixth, let me ask the name again. Yeah, Abhilipsa, are you here? So Abhilipsa Giri, is absent. Aditya Narayan Panda. Okay, Aditya Narayan is also absent. Pratiksha Mahapatra.
Present, sir.
Okay, so have you tried the sixth question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please show your screen. Okay, so you are, yes. Okay. Okay, what if you write all three equal? Put, what will happen? So else part will be executed, right? Okay. Yeah, thank you, Pratiksha.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so like you have seen the program, and so try seventh. Those who have done sixth one. Okay, seventh is write a Python program that prompts the user to enter the month and year, display the number of days. Okay, and before that, let me write the code for six. So I will also write the same like you have done actually. So in the same way we can do directly. You may take variable as name only. So it was Rahul Ayush Ajay. Okay, so Rahul, you may ask and user age. Okay, Ayush. So like the way you have used, I can also use the same way, or we have other way also. So if uh, Rahul is Rahul has more age than Ayush, and we may use like this if under if. Okay, so okay, and else. So see, when Rahul has more age than Ayush, and Rahul do not have more than Ajay, else means this. So Rahul has less age than Ajay. So who will be elder in that case? What should I write? Can you guess? Can you tell what guess? So see, first we have taken Rahul has more age than Ayush, and here if Rahul has more age than Ajay, so Rahul is elder. So what if else of that? So if so, opposite of that is Rahul is less than Ajay. Here Rahul is more than Ayush. So who will be elder? Here what should I write in print? Take Rahul has more age than Ayush, and here else part Rahul will have less age than Ajay. So can you decide who is the elder in else part? Else part of this. Okay, oh, 1 minute. Can you see the screen? I think screen is not visible. That's why you are not able to decide. 1 minute. I'm writing the code. I'm asking you this. See the code. I'm writing something different. It's almost same, but the way of writing is different. So see how I'm writing. So I started with this. You can see the screen. Age of Rahul. So Rahul actually is age of Rahul. Ayush and Ajay. So now these all are integers. Okay. If Rahul has more age than Ayush, okay, and inside that if I have taken one more if, So if Rahul has more age than Ajay, then Rahul is elder obviously because Rahul is more aged than both. Now in else part, what should I write here? Else part of this, decide. So this is fixed. This is okay because Rahul is more age than more है ना? Has Rahul has more age than Ayush, and here in the else part of this will be Rahul has less age than Ajay. So what should I write? Who is elder here? Anyone? Okay, so let me show you on this part. Then you will be better. So I started with what? First if is what? First if is actually Rahul has more age than Ayush. Okay. Inside that if I'm again writing one if. So I'm using here capital letter, but there is small letter. Okay, just here I'm using capital. So Ajay. So in that case, we have printed that Rahul is elder. Okay, Rahul is elder. Now asking you in the else part, what should I print? So how will you decide? Check. I'm making the box so that you will be able to see. So here I've taken Rahul has more age than Ayush. So Rahul will be before. Okay. So I'm writing in increasing decreasing order. Okay. And in else part of Rahul will have less age than Ajay. So Rahul will have see I'm writing here. So Rahul has more age than Ayush. This is Ayush. And here else part will be Rahul will have less age than Ajay. So what do you think? Who is the elder? Ayush, Rahul or Ajay? So anyone able to see the screen or not? Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So can you decide here? This is a little bit different code than you have written. That was also okay. I'm nested if I'm using. Okay. So my question to you is: are you getting the point? What should I write here?
Then Ayush is elder.
Ayush is elder. Okay. Let's see here. No. Look here. Okay. So it's better to take the number. Okay. So I have fixed Rahul is more aged than Ayush. Okay. So let's take the number. Suppose this is 10 and this is suppose 8. Now in this part, Rahul will have more age. So here it may be like Rahul has 10. So I will have more than this, suppose 9 maybe. So Rahul is elder. Up here what will happen? Else part. So in else part, opposite of this will happen. Means Rahul will have in else part, okay, less age than Ajay. So Ajay can have ages like 11 because it's more. So now we check here. Rahul has age 10, Ayush has age 8, and Ajay has age 11. So who is elder? Or here you can see directly Ajay is elder in the else part. Okay, how is being executed? Just you have to also consider that, right? Rahul is more than Ayush, so Rahul is more than the Ayush, Rahul. And here Ayush. Just comparing two numbers, okay? So let me explain once more. So what I said in else means, so what the meaning of else? That else, that Ajay is elder than Rahul. Ajay is elder than Rahul. This is else part of the first if, inside if, nested if. Rahul, Rahul or Rohit? Yeah, Rahul. Okay. And here it was if we have taken Rahul has more age than Ayush. So if S part is this, okay. So what is if you combine both, what will you get the order? What is the order? So don't you see the order is Ajay is more than Rahul and Rahul is more than Ayush. So who is elder?
Ajay.
Ajay. So in the second part, so Ajay, here I write Ajay. So Ajay is elder. And this is else of that. And now I will write else of main statement. So else of this if, this if. So in other way, so what you have written were also correct, okay? So that was easy to interpret. This is also, but it will take less time, less execution, okay? So print other in other way, I use will be. So let's check, is it working or not? So I have done some mistake or something else, let's check. So okay, let's take Rahul. So suppose I take 12, I use 23, okay, and it's 13. So what should be the output according to these inputs? You can see what will be the output according to these inputs. Who will be elder?
Ayush.
Ayush. Okay,
Ayush.
let's enter this and check. Oh, 1 minute. What is wrong? Acha, Ayush, I have used double A. 1 minute, 1 minute. So here I have used single A and double A. 1 minute. So now again, 10, okay, 11, 12. So according to that, Ajay should be elder. Aj- Ayush is elder. So something is wrong. Okay, so let me check. Right, in this way, something is wrong, right? So Rahul, Ayush, Ajay. Okay. So when Rahul is more than Ayush, I can write that code what you have written, but I wanted to try something new. So check where is wrong. Now, so according to this, answer should be Ajay. So Ajay is elder. Acha, in else part, what happened? Okay, let us analyze this else part. So this is because here Rahul is less aged than Ayush. Okay, okay. Okay. So Rahul is less aged than Ayush. So Ayush is more.
So then we can again check in the else part that if Ayush is means if Ayush is greater than Ajay, then Ayush is elder. Else Ajay is elder. Then sir we can get
Yes,
result.
so I wanted to write only in this F. Otherwise, we can use again here elif and that. Okay.
Yes sir.
So okay, this is something is okay. Let me where is fails. So like Rahul is 10. So Rahul is more than Ayush. No, so this fails. So only this else executed, and that I have taken Ajay more. Okay, so that was a part. So one
Sir
minute.
actually there is no comparison between Ajay and Ayush.
Ah, yes, yes, that is the problem, I think. In this code, there is no combination Ajay and Ayush. Yes. So what if I write? Mm-hmm. Yes, Ayush and Ajay has no comparison. So we can add. Otherwise, what you have written, I may write that. So you have used that. Okay, let me write. I will check this. I think some thing is missing. So I have write something more. And you have used Rahul has more is than Ajay, no? Ajay. So in that case, you will print. Okay, and Elif. So you use something else like I use. You can use I use is more than Rahul, and I use is Ajay. Okay. Then you will print I use is elder. Else, is it fine what you have written? So in the else part, Ajay will be elder. Okay. So by mistake, elder is else. Okay, let me take the same output. Is it fine? 10, 9, 8, Rahul. So this works because you all it worked for you. 13, 12, and 14. Okay, it's fine. But here is how many comparison are going. So two comparison here and two comparison here. The else part. So like three persons are there. Three factorial. Okay, so six. Okay, this is fine. Have you tried this seventh question? Anyone?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, if all their age will be same, then it will display Ajay is elder.
Yes, because else part will be executed because we have not taken equal. So we may run one more. We may write one more thing in that if you want. Otherwise, because all are equal, so anyone you can take as elder. So if you want to avoid it, you may write one code if in the beginning. Okay, so you may write if like Rahul is equal to Ayush. Okay, like this. Then you can all three are of equal age. Then you write a pairwise also you may write. Okay, just you can avoid it. Otherwise, it's okay. All three has same age. So Ajay is elder. So this seems yes in the beginning and the same some. But in the beginning coding you can write like that. Otherwise, you can write more conditions. Okay, so you may write more conditions.
So can you check one stat?
1 minute. Okay, so you have done in this way. Okay, okay. Okay, so you have checked Rahul, Ayush, and this else part Elif. So if Ayush is more than Ajay, then this. Okay, so what I was writing, you have corrected that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's check. I think this part was missing by me. Okay, so I have not compared this. Okay, let's check. Okay, so this is fine. Okay, let me run it like one. Like this, you may write more conditions. Okay, so to execute it, let's run this program. Okay, so Rahul Ayush and Rahul Ajay you compare. L if Ayush is more than Ajay, then Ayush is elder. Yes. This is fine. So actually, in my code, the first code, this was not compared. Ayush and Ajay, है ना, was not, both were not compared. So there you have to write that. Okay, till then you try. So let me check my code, what I have written. So anyone, yes. So I think Arshdeep and Lipsita, this Sandeep, Swapna, so you have done this seventh question. It was also okay. So before that, let me one more check. Okay, so next, who will share a screen? Yes, Rohan. So have you done this question seven, calendar problem, month and year?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Please share screen.
Yes, sir. Sir, it's visible.
Yes.
So,
Please explain once, then you run this program. So what have you done? Like Y you have taken month, right? And A is year, or A Y is year. Y is year and A is month. Okay.
yes, sir. So, let's say we're taking 212, it's a leap year, and the month is 2. So, it's 29 days. And if it's not a leap year, then it will be 38 days.
Uh,
Rest are working really fine. Let's say 8
and
months.
the condition you are using Y divided by 4, and this is condition for check for leap years. If
Yes,
year
sir.
you divide by 4 gives remainder 0 and year you divide by 100 does not give you 0, then it is a leap year.
Yes.
Okay. So this
That's the
condition everyone has
definition.
to remember. So just try it. Okay.
So should I stop sharing?
No, have you run this? Okay, I'm giving you a code. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
you write the input February
Yes, sir.
2040
Sorry,
2040.
sir. 2040.
Yes,
Yes, sir. And month?
Feb 2.
February.
Yes, February.
It's 29.
So 29. Okay. And what if I write 2400? So February 2400. So 28. Okay. So according to that, fine. So but I have to check it is correct or not. Okay. So I think it's correct. Maybe let's check for other users. Yeah. Thank you, Ron. So let's see. And, anyone else? So I think 2400 will be what? Leap year or not? What do you think?
So not a leap year.
The 2020 is leap year. Leap year comes after every 4 year. Okay.
So 2000 was not a leap year.
2000 was not leap year.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, it was a leap year, but I
Sir,
will check
it was
condition.
a
That
leap year.
2000 and 2400 are leap years.
Okay. 1 minute. So once you run the program for 2000, February 2000. So you check
Yes, sir.
by your own February 2000. So 2000 was leap year, I think, because every 4 years coming 2004, 2008, 2012, 2016, 2020. So 20 was
Yes,
leap
sir.
year. So one more condition is required. I wanted to check that. Yes, one more condition is required. It's not and, I think it should be
So,
or. Uh, check because this is fine. What you have written already fine. The letter you were writing, or when you divide, okay, you write in your own way. Then I will write. Okay. Yes, this end you have to make or, and you can take that in one bracket.
I think it
Okay,
will be
try,
this.
try. I think something is you have to change again.
I think it's not right, sir.
First two condition, what you have written already, that will be in bracket. I think so, and the last one will be alone.
Yes, sir. I guess that will be the right answer. Is
Okay,
it
so
working fine?
yes, 2400 was leap year, so it's this 2000. You can check. Okay, 21 days. February 2000. Yeah, so it's a 20. Now it's fine. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So the condition is the year when you divide by 400, that will give you remainder 0, or it is a multiple of 4 but not multiple of 100.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I have to remember that condition. So everyone please execute it and
So should I stop sharing?
yes, yes, yes. Thank you, Rohan. Okay, so the condition is yes. So either it is divisible by 400, or if it is not divisible by 400, then it must be divisible by 4, and it is not divisible by 100. Okay. So any year that is multiple of 400 will be leap year, right? Is it fine? So any year that is multiple of 400, that will be leap year. Yes. So Ritu Raja written condition. So yes. So either this condition holds. So year is multiple of 400 means it will give remainder 0 when divided by 400, or it is multiple of 4 but it is not multiple of 100, like 2004 you can say, this will come under this condition, first condition. 2004 is multiple of 4, but it was not multiple of 100. And 2008, 2012, 2016, 2020, these all will come in first condition. First condition, I mean this one. Okay. And like 2000, this came in this condition. Okay. 2400 will come in this
So,
condition. Yes.
sir, your screen is not visible, so.
Yes, so I'm just trying on your comment you have written in the chat, so that I was explaining. So
Ah, yes,
if
yes.
you want, we have examples like we know that 2020 was a leap year. So there are two conditions. One is this condition, before or, and other is after or. Okay. So after or, what we have written, so the year like 2000, 2000 is divisible by 400, so this will come under this condition. Not 2400, 2800. So when this will come, this is, this will leap years. And in this condition like 2004, so 2004 will come in this condition, because it is multiple of 4 but it is not multiple of 100. Okay. 2008, this will come in this condition. 2012, 2020, 2024, 2028, these all will be leap years. Okay. Just you have to write this condition only, this condition only required, others you know how to write. Okay. So I think so many of you have done now. So you use this condition to check the month is, the year is leap year, and then just it will differ in February, rest will be same. Okay, so let me check for others. So Rohan was sharing now. Yeah, Lipsita, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please share screen. Okay, so you have written all these month, year, month is January. Okay, this way you have written. Yeah, you may name it 135, no problem. But would you try it, na, in your own way? No problem.
Sir, I will run the code.
Yes, run it. It has 29, yes. 2000, February 2000.
Sweet, sir.
Yes, it has also 29 days. Fine. So it is working in both way. Yeah, I think it will work. Okay, you check for one more like 2003. You may check 2003 February. It has 28 days. Okay, this is fine. Yeah, thank you, Lipsita.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so many of you must have uh, done this because you have seen two programs. Okay, so let's check for others also. Like so, Lipsita has done in other way, different way. You may write in your own way. Okay, whatever you understand. So what's left? Okay, so Rituraj, you please share your screen.
Yes, sir. Is it visible, sir?
Yes, yes. So you have also done in one twice. Okay.
Yes, sir. I am using that alif.
Hmm. Yes, running and so you have checked
Yes.
for February 202400. Yes,
Yes, sir.
and
Sir, now I will check for 2013. It's 28.
yes. Hmm.
14 and it's
30 days. Okay.
sir. Any other date?
Yes. So if you write 2000, try for 2000 February 2000.
Yes, sir. Sir, 29.
Hmm. Rest it will work. I think right. December you write any December or any year.
Uh, yes, sir. 12 and the year, sir.
Any year like 1995.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 31 days. Okay, okay, yeah, fine. Yeah, thank you, Rituraj.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so those who have done this sixth. Okay, 1 minute. So I will write this code. I have already. So seven is done. So those who have done seven, you please try eight, and I will write the code of seven now. So for those who have not done till now, we'll see, and others who have done seventh, this you please write the eighth. So what is eighth question? Write a Python program that plays the popular scissor rock paper game. So you know this?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Excuse me,
Oh,
sir.
screen
Sir,
off.
you are sharing.
Yes. Actually, when someone says it pauses, so now it's fine. Yes. Thank you. So seventh, most of you have done. So those who have done, you try eighth, and while you will be trying eighth. I will write code for seventh for those who have not done. So what is eighth? First, let me read for you. So write a Python program that plays the popular. There is a game, okay? Scissor rock paper game, or rock paper scissor. Like there is a name. So a scissor can cut a paper, and a rock can knock a scissor, and a paper can wrap a rock. So like you can see, if one chooses scissor, and other chooses paper, so scissor will win. Okay. If one chooses rock, other chooses scissor, then rock will win. If one choose paper, other choose rock, so paper will win. Like that. So between two player, okay. So you have to choose one out of three randomly. Two player peoples are playing the game. So one will choose randomly one of these three. Other will also choose. Okay, like this. So this is the order. Okay, if you choose a Caesar and other choose paper, so Caesar will win. If you choose rock, other chooses Caesar, then rock will win. If you choose paper and other choose rock, then paper will win. The logic is given like this: Caesar can cut the paper, a rock can knock the Caesar, and the paper can wrap a rock. So the program randomly generates a number 0, 1, 2, representing Caesar, rock, paper. So you have to use random function, so that will generate 0, 1, 2. So you will take like 0 as Caesar, and 1 as rock, and 2 as paper. So it will be generated by the computer. Okay, random, using random function. And the program prompts the user to enter. Now you will ask the user to enter any one of them, 0, 1, 2. Okay, and displays a message indicating whether the user or the computer wins, loses, or draws. So draws means if you both chooses the same thing, like both chooses Caesar, or both chooses rock, or both chooses paper, then it will be drawn. In other cases, one will win, other will lose. So user or computer. So this game, you will write the code that will be a game between user and computer. Okay, so like you will So try this है ना, you generate one number from computer, you enter one from user, and then check the conditions. If both gives the same choice, then it is a draw, otherwise one will lose, other will win. Let me write for this seventh. So okay, this is the code for that, so I will write it. So let m be the month. Okay, so int input enter month, enter month. Y we may take year, so it's an int input and we'll check. So first what we have, we know that January, March, May, July, August, October and December has 31 days. So if we write if, you may write in list like one of you has written. So what will I will use or condition. So if month is January or month is March or month is May or the month is May, okay, July, okay, so 7 or month is, so August also has 31 days, October has 31 days, and December has 31 days. Okay, so if this happens, you will print what number of days is number of days are 31. If otherwise, so what else we have, only we have to check for February and rest. So in a year can have either 28 days, 29 days, 30 days or 31 days. So I have written for 31. Now I will write for 28 and then 29, then for 30, the else will be 30. Okay, so if m is equal to 2 means it's February, and as well as if it is leap year. So how will I check leap year? So for the year I have to use. So and if year when you divide by 400, this gives you remainder 0. Okay, so let me write it all later on. and year when you divide by 4 gives remainder 0, as well as when you year divided by 100 gives remainder not 0, not 0. Okay. Okay, and so month is February and year is leap year. So in that case I have to print, so number of days are what, 29. Okay, and if it's only February. Okay, so else condition I'm writing, so year is not leap year now, so in that case we'll print number of days are 28. So else part, so either month can have 31 days or 29 or 28, or else part is 30. Else part will be number of days is 30. Number of days are 30. Okay, 1 minute. So I have to, okay, 1 minute. So I have to take double equal. So we are comparing. So for the comparison, we have to write double equal. Okay, here I have to write double equal. Fine. So inter month. So like February, inter year 2000 plus 29 days. Okay. January 2000. It has 31 days. So December 2021. It will have 31 days. Okay. And Feb 2021. It had 28 days. Okay. And Feb 2022 will have 28 days. That's fine. So that is the code for question number 7. Okay, so now anyone who has done this, first of all, I will ask whom has not done this question. So this enter month year problem, and then you have to decide number of days. So I will ask the name. This is attendance also. Okay, so okay, everyone got the concept of leap year. So I'm again telling 1 minute. So like when we say we have written, so either year when you divide by 4, it will give remainder 0, and when you divide by 100, it will not give you 0. So you got it point, like you have to check 2004. So you will check, will divide by 4, true, first is true, uh, and is it true, false, oh sorry, not equal to, then it will be true. So when you divide 2004 by 100 is not equal to 0. Yes, so it's a true. True and true, it's a true. So true means this is leap year, so this is a leap year. One is condition, or the other condition is when you divide by 400 it will give remainder 0. So it's a multiple of 400, like 2000. So 2000 you will check. So according to this condition it will give you true, so it is a leap year, because 2000 multiple of 400. So any year who is multiple of 400 will always be a leap year. If it is not multiple of 400, in that case we have to check this. So if it is not multiple of 400, in that case it should be multiple of 4. Okay, and it should not be multiple of 100. So this is a condition, and you may check like 2021. So 2021 this will give false. Okay, this gone. Now we will check out this. So divided by 4, remainder 0, no. And when you divide by 100, remainder is not 0. Yes, this is true. So false and true is false. You might have seen this boolean thing. False and true is false. So false or false, false, it is false. Means in either condition it will give false. So this is not a leap year. So you please check that condition. Manually you can check using this mathematical expression. Fine. So let me ask the name. Those who have not done this question, please type it. I have written it. Just you type in your system. Yeah, Sadan Hassan. Are you here, Sadan Hassan?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Have you done this code? The you can see on screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please share.
But can you give me 2 minutes? I have joined from mobile. I will join from laptop and then present.
Okay. Okay. No problem. So you see this code and you just present it. Yeah. So next,
Okay, sir.
Satya Subdarshi, Priyajit, Priyajit, Abhishek Panda.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Abhishek, you are. Yeah. So have you done this
Uh,
code?
so this one, yes.
Yes. Yes. This. Yes.
Yes, sir. I
Please.
can.
Yes. Please
Okay.
share. Oh yes. So
Is it visible?
yes. Yes. It is visible. So you may run it. Number of days 30 for what? Okay. You run it.
So you can give me the year. I'll
Okay.
execute.
Okay. Yes. So you enter December 2004.
2004.
Okay. It has 30 days. Okay. Okay. You write February 2000.
Is all.
Something is wrong, is it?
Yes, sir. So it may be in indentation.
No, have you used the condition for leap years? Leap years? Yes, so you are using separately. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if it is this, actually last two you have to write it together. You have taken, I mean last two, I mean in the leap year there are three conditions you have written. So first condition is okay. For the last two conditions you have write it together, and elif means okay.
Yeah.
I think you should write it together. Divided by 100 is not 0, and divided by 4 is 0. मतलब modulo 100, y modulo 100 is not 0. So I have written that is not or is equal. So what is your second
Well,
condition, elif?
yes, it is equal.
You have to write not equal, na?
So I have not properly answered the question.
Okay, you may correct it. I'm writing in chats already. Ritu Rajgupta has already posted in chat what is the condition. You please modify it. So control C.
Yes, sir. So let me execute for a while. I'll show you
Yeah,
the
yeah,
number.
yeah. Sure, sure. No problem.
Yes, sir.
You try it is a good thing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in one condition, you write the first two, this part. Yeah, you can stop sharing and then you first execute it, then you can.
Okay, sir.
Yes. So there are only two conditions, not three. First two condition is actually together.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Means it is multiple of 4 but not multiple of 100, then it is leap year. Other condition
Okay.
is if it is multiple of 400, then it is leap year. Yes, no problem, you modify it, you know. Coding you will
Yes.
learn the same way. You do mistakes and you learn, do mistakes you learn, and then keep doing. Yeah. Okay, fine. So first let us finish attendance now, then I will ask the name. Anyone I can ask. Okay, so everyone please be prepared. I mean, if you have not typed, just type it. Those who have done, please do the next question. So next question was this, eighth one. The ninth was what? Write a Python program that prompts the user to enter a point xy and checks whether the point is within the circle centered at 0, 0 with radius 10. For example, 4, 5 is inside the circle and 9, 9 is outside the circle. Okay. So hint you have given the hint. A point is in the circle if its distance is 0, 0, distance to 0, 0 is less than or equal to 10. The formula for the computer, you know the distance formula, so you just have to check distance formula na, say less than 10 and all. And the last question in this assignment, in this hands-on exercise is, a university has 100 marks exam for its student and grades as follows. Assign a grade based on the value of the marks. So write a Python program to print the grade according to the marks secured by a student. So university conducts 100 marks exam, okay, and grades are distributed as follows according to this table, okay. So they are saying write a Python program to print the grade according to mark. So you can use directly if else condition, okay. So this is easy. 10th one, ninth one is also easy. Just you have to write this using import math function. You can do import math, and here your random function you have to use import random, and then you have to use this, and this we have already completed, okay. Okay, so let me complete the attendance. Okay, and yeah. Okay, so Prasenjit, you were present. Prasenjit, no. Harshvardhan, Swastik, Vivek Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Vivek present. So I will first finish the attendance and Sumit Kumar Behera, सौमेंद्र कुमार, उज्जवल दास, आयुष्मान मोहंती।
Present, sir.
ओके। बसंत,
Yes, sir.
शशांक कुमार,
Yes, sir.
ओके। सेजल मोहंती, स्वप्नाश्री साहू,
Present, sir.
स्वयं सार्थक, कृति कुमारी, अनिकेत दास, सौभाग्य शंकर।
Yes, sir.
ओके। आकाश कुमार। नाउ ऋषि कुमार झा।
Present,
He
sir.
was present, yes. स्निग्धा बेहेरा, स्निग्धा एब्सेंट। अमिताभ पांडा,
Present, sir.
आदित्य सिंह,
Present, sir.
अभिषेक मिश्रा, सॉरी, या अभिषेखा, it is an attendance sheet, it is written like that. So is it what, Abhishek or what? Okay. Ishan Raj,
Present, sir.
Lipsita,
Present, sir.
Aditya Kumar Samal, Madhusmita, आयुष सेनापति, मधुमुखी, पंकज कुमार, श्रीचंदन, संदीप सिंह,
Present, sir.
कुमार चंद्रशेखर,
Present, sir.
सुमित कुमार ठाकुर,
Present, sir.
तन्मय सिंह,
Present, sir.
आदित्य गुप्ता, अनिकेत नायक, अभिषेक साहू, अनुराग अलवर्ट,
Yes, sir.
सौरभ कुमार, वैष्णवी ठाकुर, अश्विनी कुमार पांडे, सुभाजीत कर,
Present, sir.
ओके। संग्राम केसरी, शिवम सिंह,
Present, sir.
प्रियांबदा साहू। Okay, so this is done with section K. Now section L. Alexander.
Present, sir.
Okay, so present. Sahil Gupta.
Present, sir.
Shreya.
Present, sir.
Anuja.
Present, sir.
Anas. Anas Murad. संग्राम कुमार।
Present, sir.
संजीवनी।
Present, sir.
अनिल कुमार। मनीष राज।
Present, sir.
मयंक साहू। शिवम कुमार।
Yes, sir.
ओके। साहिल अग्रवाल।
Present, sir.
ऋतुराज गुप्ता।
Present, sir.
रोहन वर्मा।
Present, sir.
अर्शदीप दुबे।
Present, sir.
यस। राहुल चटर्जी।
Yes, sir.
Achal Nayak, Harsh Raj, राहुल चक्रवर्ती, अभिजीत साहू, कोमल प्रिया,
Present, sir.
अभिप्सा साहू,
Present, sir.
अभिषेक,
Yes, sir.
ओके, सुमन मोर,
Present, sir.
आयुष अग्रवाल,
Present, sir.
अभिस्मान सरकार,
Yes, sir.
शर्मिला,
Present, sir.
प्रेरणा,
Present, sir.
सुवानी,
Present, sir.
नीलम कुमारी,
Present, sir.
प्रांजल,
Present, sir.
रुचि सिंह,
Present, sir.
राहुल कुमार,
Present, sir.
प्रीतीश कुमार दास, ओके, एलिसा, एलिसा अनिमा, प्रयाग दत्त, रामाकांत,
Present, sir.
ओके, पूजा पांडा, यश पटनायक, अनिकेत कुमार,
Present, sir.
बी एस अमलान ज्योति, हिमांशु कुमार,
Present, sir.
मोहम्मद अयाज, अपूर्व,
Present, sir.
करीना दास,
Present, sir.
पुष्कर राज, हर्ष सिन्हा,
Present, sir.
अंकिता सिंह,
Present, sir.
एंड रोहित नारायण,
Yes, sir.
उज्जवल, उज्जवल जमुआर,
Present, sir.
अनिर्बन, हंसराज, हंसराज और हर्षराज, हंसराज आई थिंक,
Excuse me, please.
okay, so anyone left? Done. So now eighth question, who has done eighth question?
So I have done. Can I share my screen?
Yes, yes.
So is it visible?
Yes.
So this is the program, sir.
Okay, so what have you done? You can explain just orally.
So first I have taken a random, I have imported the random class in Python, and so I have taken scissor rock. So this actually, this introduction is not needed. I will remove it.
Okay.
So I have taken a random integer from 0 to 2, which will be taken from the computer. Then I have taken an input by myself as a choice of the user, and then sir I have compared them, like if they are equal, then sir there can be a draw, and sir else I have taken the three conditions in which the user will win, and else the user will lose, sir.
Okay, okay.
So if I run, sir, it is showing, sir, like random choice of computer is zero scissors, and if I give one, then sir I will lose, sir. Sorry, sir, I will win, sir. Sorry.
Okay, so computer is Caesar and you are Rock, so Rock will win. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So again, if I run, sir, it will come, sir, like random choice is two paper, and if I do sir scissor, then sir I will.
So paper can wrap the it's a Caesar, yeah. So Caesar can
Yes,
cut
sir,
the paper.
scissor can cut the paper.
So Caesar won, yeah. Yeah, yeah, fine. It's good. That's it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, can I stop sharing my screen?
Yes, yes. Okay,
Okay,
so
sir.
Anuja is present. Okay, L section. Yeah, anyone else want to present this question? I think it is done by. Yes, Sandeep, you can do.
Yes, sir. Sir, just give me a minute.
Okay, Amitabh, you are also done. Okay, so try to run
Sir,
it.
sir, I have done like this.
Okay, so but import random is fine and random. So what?
Sir, I am taking the user input. I have stored it in an array, rock, paper, scissors, and in the current action, it will choose randomly any of it. Then I am printing the random value. Then if the user input and the computer input both becomes equal, then both the player wins. If
Hmm.
the user input is rock and the computer input comes to scissors, then it will win, otherwise it will lose. And same thing I have done for paper
Okay,
and
okay.
scissor also.
Yes. So you have done in this way. Yeah, it's also correct, I think. So you just okay. So you here enter will be like you will enter one of them, rock, paper, or scissor. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. That's also fine. Yeah.
Sir,
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Yes. So like these two were have done differently. Uh,
sir, I can stop sharing.
yes. Yes. So yes, Amitabh Panda, you can share. All time already passed. So okay, we'll continue in the next class. So these three problems, and
Yes,
then
sir.
yes, so we'll continue next class. I hope all of you can do. So you just finish it. There are three questions left: 8, 9, 10, and you can do. These are easy. Then we'll move to the fourth exercise, hands-on exercise 4. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you, everyone. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.